Is the waist of your pants too big? Let me show you how to take it in for a clean, professional fit. A perfect fit starts with the right measurement. For the best result, try the pants on and pin the waist exactly how you want it to fit. Let's get started. Before removing the pins, carefully mark the pants with chalk on both the inside and outside. Remove any extra labels or tags from the waistband before you start. Remove the belt loop and save it to reattach later. Before separating the waistband, carefully mark the center line with chalk. Separate the waistband from both the inside and outside. Cut along the center line that was marked earlier. The preparation is complete. Now move to the sewing machine. Make sure the chalk marks are clearly visible on both the inside and outside of the pants. Follow these marks carefully to stitch exactly along the new measurement. Start stitching from the bottom and gradually follow the marked line all the way up. If you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe to support the channel. Pro tip: never remove the original stitching before sewing the new measurement. Keeping the original stitch in place holds everything securely and makes the new fit much easier to adjust. The first stitch is done. Check that everything is perfectly aligned before continuing. Now it's time to join the waistband. This is an important step. Match the waistband measurement exactly with the new stitch on the pants, then stitch them together. Follow the exact measurement and make sure it matches the stitch already in place. Once everything is perfectly aligned, join the inside of the waistband as well. At each step, check that all three parts, the pants, the outside waistband, and the inside waistband, are perfectly aligned with the same measurement. Now it's time to open the original seam. When taking in the waist, keep some extra fabric inside. Waist measurements can change, so this allows the pants to be let out later if needed. Since this waist was taken in by only 2 inches, there's no need to cut off the excess fabric. Leave it inside for possible future adjustments. Flatten the extra fabric inside and attach the waistband. Stitch the outer layer of the waistband first. Then stitch along the top of the waistband. Flatten the extra fabric neatly on both the outside and inside of the waistband, then stitch it in place. Everything is nicely finished, and the new measurement is perfectly followed. Now it's time for the final stitch to close the waistband. Secure the waistband with pins, then stitch it closed, keeping the stitch as invisible as possible. Stitch as close as possible to the seam so the stitch stays invisible. Now it's time to reattach the belt loop that was saved earlier. The alteration is complete. Now, move on to pressing. Give the pants a good press to set the stitches and remove the chalk marks. Flatten the extra fabric inside the pants with a hot iron. The alteration is complete with a clean, professional finish. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more professional alteration tips and techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.